Are you excited for the first day of snowfall?
Actually, it's not the first.
For the year.
There was a little bit of snow like a month ago, but that was only a little bit. This is a lot.
Yeah.
I'll
Oh, yeah.
for you.
Okay, let me put on my,
Don't ruin the snow. Get a piece of first.
oh, don't ruin the snow. Okay. You okay? Yeah, Callie, just do only a trail up here and then you guys can just come down. Hold on, there's a stick right there I want to get out. Oh, that's cool. What happened? Yeah, guys. Yeah, but not if we manage it correctly because she doesn't want nasty mud on here. Okay, let's try to make sure. Oh, I wanted to get that out there. Yeah, Callie, come around, walk around, because if you're skiing or if you're in a place, you have to follow their rules. All right, good job.
Let's try my sled.
You okay? I want to do my sled. I'm going to do that now. Nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, so hard. Oh! Mama, you need your gloves on your right. Huh? You okay? How'd you fly off like that? You silly goose. Me and Hayden went all the way up there.
Callie went like that because she didn't want to get hit by me because I slipped while she was right there.
Callie dived into that snow. What's it in? Go to the left. Merge. Go ahead, guys. Put on your yes, put on your gloves. Let's go. There's more snow in the front, girls. Come on. That's Jim. Hey, Jim. He's watching the rain. Daddy. Now time to help the neighbor. Yeah. Can we help you? You did? Can we help you? They want to help. You're being silly. Thank you for letting us do it. Daddy's over there with the machine, so. Callie, watch it. Yes.